WriteNCite version 4 is a Microsoft Word plugin for accessing citations in your RefWorks account and adding them to documents. It is available for PC and Mac.
For UNB
in this tutorial,
RefWorks.
we're going to cover how to install WriteNCite 4 on a PC computer and touch briefly on Macintosh installation as well. We're going to begin on the UNB Libraries website, lib.unb.ca, and under Quick Links, we can access the RefWorks page. Lots of useful information, and there is a WriteNCite tab. Here you'll find some useful information for using WriteNCite in the UNB context. The first thing we're going to need to do is log into RefWorks. And now, from within our RefWorks account, under Tools, we'll find a WriteNCite page. And here, there is a unique code which you will use once WriteNCite is installed in Microsoft Word. And so I'm going to copy it now. Bear in mind, however, that you can always return to this section of your RefWorks account and find the same code. Under Downloads, there are two options for PC Word installations presented here, one for 32-bit and one for 64-bit Word. Typically, Microsoft Word is installed in its 32-bit mode, and if you're not certain, you're well advised to go to your Microsoft Word application and consult the help to determine which version you are running. 32-bit in my case. Other versions, including Macintosh, are presented here. Bear in mind that if you're running Mac OS 10.9 or higher, WriteNCite will not function. I know that my version is 32-bit Word, and so I'm going to click on it here. And I'm invited to save the file. Once WriteNCite has downloaded to your computer, you're going to want to go to that place on your computer where downloads are stored, and this will vary from one computer to the next. In my case, I can access it up here from within my browser. I click on the file, and this enables me to run the installation program. And now, from within Microsoft Word, there now appears a RefWorks tab amongst my other menu options. I have seen some installations, for example, in a Mac running Microsoft Word 2008, where the RefWorks options appear as a floating toolbar, and so it may not appear the same as you see in this tutorial. If I click on RefWorks, all the options are grayed out because first I'm going to have to log in to access my RefWorks account. The only option here you need to concern yourself with is the login code, which we took, if you recall, from our RefWorks account. Copy it, and then paste it here. And now we have access to our RefWorks account from within Microsoft Word. The first thing I'm going to want to do is specify my style, which in this case is going to be APA 6th edition. Now I will provide a little sample text and then insert a citation by going to Insert Citation, Insert New. Here we can see that my RefWorks folders are appearing. If I click on one, I can choose a citation, check the preview to see how it's going to be rendered in my document, and click OK. And now, if I were to add a second citation here, I can do the same thing. Insert a new, perhaps go to a different folder, choose a citation, and click OK. Let's say instead you wanted to add references as footnotes. This is also easily accomplished by going to Insert Citations, Insert New, choosing the reference, and then clicking on Make Footnote. And now we can see that the citation has been added as a footnote instead. And finally, when you're ready, you can generate a bibliography that consists of the references you've placed in your paper as either inline citations or footnotes by going to Bibliography Options and choosing Insert
Always
Bibliography.
remember to proofread your references before handing in an assignment or paper. And if you have any questions, feel free to contact us.